Hi children, already we had completed our surroundings lesson, yes or no? Yes. So, in our surroundings lesson, page number 9 in your course book, I had given you the task to think and discuss with your parents, yes or no? With your parents, brothers and sisters. Did you discuss it? What are these answers? Did you discuss with your parents? Okay, now let us see. The first one, what is the first question is, the living and non-living things are interdependent. How? The living and non-living things are interdependent. How? Living things, non-living things. ఒకదాని మీద ఒకటి ఆధారపడి ఉన్నాయంట. ఎలాగా? How? We are living things. Yes or no? We are living things. And this book is a non-living thing. Yes or no? Living things are interdependent on these non-living things. ప్రతి దాని మీద దిస్ సి ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సింపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద హౌస్. హౌస్ ఉంది కదా, మనం లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ అందరూ హౌస్ లేకపోతే ఉండగలుగుతారా? వి కెనాట్ లివ్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో హౌస్ ఇస్ ఏ నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్ అండ్ వి ద పీపుల్ ఆర్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్. సో దీస్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ డిపెండెంట్ ఆన్ ద నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? అండ్ ఫుడ్ ఈజ్ ఏ నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్. ఫుడ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఏ నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్. రైస్ ఉంటుంది కదా, మనం అన్నం తింటాం. అన్నం ఏమన్నా లివింగ్ థింగ్ కాదు. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో ఏ నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్. అన్నం తినకపోతే మనం ఉండలేము. సో వి ద పీపుల్, హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ ఆర్ డిపెండెంట్ ఆన్ దీస్ నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్. సో ఆల్ దీస్ animals, trees, plants, everything, all the living things are, non living things are interdependent. ఒకదాని మీద ఒకటి ఆధారపడి బ్రతుకుతున్నాయి అన్నమాట. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ దిస్. And second one, see here, a boy is blowing a balloon. In the second picture, a boy is blowing a balloon. Yes or no? So as we blow air into the balloon, it grows bigger. Balloon ఏమవుతుంది, మనం గాలి ఊదే కొద్దిగా balloon is becoming big one. Yes or no? So is it a living or non-living thing? Is this balloon is a living thing or non-living thing? What's your answer? Living thing or non-living thing? No, the balloon is a non-living thing because on its own it cannot grow. On its own it cannot take any food, water or anything. It cannot reproduce anything. Yes or no? So it is a non-living thing. And next one, see here, look at the leaves on the ground. Look at the leaves on the ground. Ground మీద ఉన్న leaves you have to look. Are these living or non-living things? Look at the leaves on the ground. Are these living or non-living? What is your answer? These are living or non-living? Living things or non-living things? All these leaves on this ground. All these leaves on the ground are non-living things. ఒకసారి చెట్టు మీద నుంచి కిందకి రాలిపోయిన ఆకు మళ్ళీ బ్రతుకుతుందా? దాని అంతగా అది పెద్ద అవుతుందా? కెన్ ఇట్ టేక్ ఎనీ వాటర్? కెన్ ఇట్ టేక్ ఎనీ ఫుడ్? కెన్ ఇట్ టేక్? నో, ఇట్ కెనాట్ టేక్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ non-living thing. Okay, now coming to the summary of the lesson, what we had learned. అసలు ఇప్పుడు వరకు మనం ఈ సరౌండింగ్స్ లెసన్ లో ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాము? ఏంటి? our topic is our surroundings. In our surroundings we are having two topics. Yes or no? Mainly two topics. What are the two topics? Living things and the second one is non-living things. Our surroundings is divided into two types. In our surroundings we are having two types, living things and non-living things. Yes or no? In living things what we are having? In living things what we have learned? In living things we are having plants. All the plants are living things only. Yes or no? Yes. So all the plants are living things only, and also all the animals. All the animals are also living things. So in living things we had learned about these plants and animals. And in these plants and animals we had learned one more thing. What is that? In these plants and animals we had learned the differences and similarities. We had learned the differences and similarities. ఈ ప్లాంట్స్ లోని ఈ యానిమల్స్ లోని సేమ్ మనం ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాము? సిమిలారిటీస్ నేర్చుకున్నాము. సిమిలారిటీస్ and differences. Yes or no? గుర్తుందా మీకు? similarities, differences we had learned. So living things are divided into two types. plants, animals. In living things we are having two types. What are they? Plants and animals. Plants and animals. And these plants and animals both are having the similarities and differences. What are the similarities and what are the differences also we have learned. That's all నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా మనందరం. Okay, next non-living things. Non-living things are also two types. Non-living things are also two types. What are they? The first one is the natural non-living things. Did you remember natural non-living things? And the second one is man-made. Man-made non-living things. గుర్తున్నాయా అన్ని? So this non-living things is divided into two types. Natural non-living things and man-made non-living things. So in our surroundings lesson we had learned all this. So our topic, our lesson is our surroundings. In our surroundings there are living things and non-living things. మన surroundings లో మన environment లో ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? We are having living things and non-living things. And in these living things two types ఉన్నాయి. What are those two types? Plants, animals. Plants and animals are living things only. And in these plants and animals only we are having the similarities and differences. Similarities నేర్చుకున్నాము, differences నేర్చుకున్నాము. Okay, next coming to the non-living things. These non-living things are divided into two types. What are those non-living things? Natural non-living things and man-made non-living things. Okay, did you understood? So this is our surroundings lesson. So now we have completed our surroundings lesson. So now what you will do means all of you open your workbook. So all of you open your workbook. So this is the EVS workbook volume 1. If you see, if you take out your page number 4, all of you take out your workbook page number 4. Workbook page number 4. Today we will start to write our workbook also. If you see, if you open your workbook page number 4, there are few pictures here in this page. Open that one. Some characteristics of living things are hidden in these pictures. To find them, form the words of the first letter of each picture from left to right. See, ఇక్కడ pictures ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఈ pictures ఇచ్చారు కదా మనకి. ఈ pictures అన్నిటి నేమ్స్ మనకి ఏంటో తెలుసు. We already know what are these pictures. So based on these pictures, you have to write their names, and in that name first letter of all these pictures we have to write in this box. First letter of these pictures only we have to write in this box. So we will get the answers there. Okay. So what is this first picture? The first picture is page 4. Okay, workbook page number 4. What is the first picture? Mango. The second one. What is the second one? Orange. What is the third one? Van. And what is the fourth one? Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. So now what we have to do? We have to take the first letter of these words. We have to take the first letter of these words. M-O-V-E. M-O-V-E. What is that? M-O-V-E we have to write in this box. So it is a moo. So the first answer is moo. Mango, orange, van, eagle. In mango we have to take the first letter M. In orange, first letter. Van, first letter V. Eagle, E is the first letter. So M-O-V-E. The first answer is moo. So if you see the second one, so by looking all these pictures it will be very easy for us to find out. Yes or no? Yes. So the second one, this is the first one completed, now the second one. What is this first picture? ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా దీన్ని? What do you call this one? So it is a globe. G-L-O-B-E, globe. The first picture is in second one, the first picture is a globe. And the second picture, rat. R-A-T, rat. The third picture, owl. And the fourth picture, what is this? Whistle. first picture is the globe, second picture is rat, the third picture is owl, and the fourth picture is visit. So what you will get the answer here? In a globe you have to take a G first, and in the rat you have to take the R, and owl you have to take the O, and the visit you have to take W. So the answer is grow. Grow means edagadam. Yes or no? So the answer is grow. And the next one, third one. What is this first picture? In the third line, first picture. What is that? Can you identify this first picture? It is a flower. It is a flower. Next one, elephant. Next one, elephant. The third one, eggs. Eggs. And the fourth one, lion. So, same. Like this only. Again we have to take this first letters only. F, E, E, L. So, our answer is F from the flower. First letter is F, elephant. E, egg. E, lion. L. So, the third answer is field. So, the third answer is field. You have to write all this in your workbook. Okay. And next the fourth one. The fourth line. The first picture is the dog. The first picture is the dog. Next, second picture. The second picture is ice cream. The second picture is ice cream. And the third picture, it is a number. What is this number? The number is 8. E-I-G-E-H-T. 8. So this is also the same process. This is also the same process. We have to take the first letters of these words. Okay, what is the first letter in a dog? D. The first letter of in ice cream, I, and the first letter in 8, E. So the answer is 8. So the answer is 8. Okay, did you understand how we have to complete all these? Okay, completed no? Next one. See here, now 3 pictures are there. So then one question also is there for us. Let us see what is that question. Which living things reproduce in the way as shown in the pictures? As shown in the pictures. See here 3 pictures are given for us. 3 pictures are there. A 3 pictures ela reproduce avutayi. What is meant by reproduce? Giving birth to their own kind, young ones, is called reproduce. Yes or no? Yes. So which living things reproduce in the way as shown in these pictures? మనకి ఇచ్చిన ఈ పిక్చర్స్ ఎలా రీప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తాయి? How they will reproduce? We have to write there. Okay. What is this? Seed. Seed sprouted out and we got a plant, small plant. Yes or no? So how it is getting? From where we are getting this seed and everything? It is getting from plants. So the answer is plants. Here the first one, it is reproduced through plants. The seeds are reproduced through plants. So the first is in page number 4, second one. The first answer is the plants. Okay. Next one. One egg is there. From that egg, one small chick came outside. Yes or no? So, how it is reproduced? From where we got this egg? How it is reproducing? It is reproduced by birds. This egg is reproduced by birds. So, the answer is birds. Manki eggs ekkada nunchi vastunayi? It is coming from birds. Yes or no? So, the answer is birds. And this, in the final, one baby boy is there. One boy is there. And how that boy reproduces? And how that boy reproduces? Do you know how the boy reproduces? how this boy reproduces all the living things we call as animals. Yes or no? Through animals. We should say this boy reproduces through animals. All the people are also called as animals. Already we had learned in our lesson. Lesson lo cheptunnam kada, all the people are also called as animals. All the birds, animals, everything it is called as animals. So this boy is also reproduced through animals. So the third answer is animals. Or otherwise you can say people also you can write it. People అని కూడా రాయొచ్చు. Animals అంటే lesson విన్న వాళ్ళకి doubt వస్తుంది. Why animals? Why we are calling animals? But in our lesson we had learned that all the people, human beings are also called as animals. So our correct answer is here animals. Okay, completed. So this is today's work for us. So all of you has to complete